gang.
My guys, welcome back to the channel once again, my man. You already know who it is and what I do, when I do, how I do, what I do. It's your boy, Marco Gippy, King Kesey, baby. Marquise Gibson, plenty reviews, variety vlogs, and petty reviews and reactions. This is gossip, because people still talking. In a fast-paced digital era, content creators are constantly seeking innovative ways to engage their audience and generate revenue. YouTube, as one of the largest video sharing platforms, presents a lucrative opportunity for individuals to express their creativity and make money. In this blog, we'll explore how integrating ChatGPT, a powerful language model, into your YouTube channel can enhance viewer interaction, engagements, and potentially increase revenue.
That's where I'm at the YouTube building. So you guys make sure you go and subscribe to my channel, okay? All right, because the takeover starts.
When it comes to enhancing viewer interaction, one of the key factors in building a successful YouTube channel is fostering meaningful interactions with your audience. By incorporating ChatGPT, you can provide personalized responses to comments, create interactive question and answer sessions, and deliver real-time engagement. The ability of ChatGPT to understand and respond to a wide array of topics enhances the overall user experience. When it comes to boosting engagements are the lifeblood of any YouTube channel. The longer viewers spend watching your content and interacting with your channel, the more likely they are to become loyal followers and contribute to your revenue stream. ChatGPT can be utilized to develop engaging video scripts, optimize titles and descriptions, and provide suggestions for thumbnails. By leveraging insights from ChatGPT, you can create captivating content that keeps your audience coming back for more. You dig? ChatGPT opens up a creative world of possibilities for content creators on YouTube. It can be used to brainstorm video ideas, generate unique perspective, and explore niche topics. The model's natural language processing capability allows you to gather insight from a vast pool of information and create content that is not only informative but also engaging and relevant to your target audience. With ChatGPT, you can continually innovate your content strategy and stay ahead in the competitive YouTube landscape. Ultimately, every content creator aspires to monetize their YouTube channel and turn their passion into subsequent income. ChatGPT can play a crucial role in achieving this goal. By enhancing viewer interaction, boosting engagement, and unlocking new content possibilities, you can attract more subscribers, increase watch time, ultimately qualify for YouTube's monetization features, such as ad revenue, channel memberships, and super chat. Additionally, your channel grows. You can explore sponsorships and brand collaborations, leveraging the interactive and engaging environment you've cultivated with the help of ChatGPT. In conclusion, incorporating ChatGPT into your YouTube channel is a strategic move that can revolutionize your content creation process, elevate viewer interaction, and potentially increase your revenue. By leveraging the power of this advanced language model, you can create engaging videos, enhance the overall user experience, and unlock new content possibilities. As you embark on this journey, remember to stay authentic, provide value to your audience, and continuously adapt your content strategy based on their preference. With the right blend of creativity and technology, the sky's the limit for your YouTube success. I want to thank y'all for joining me. I'm your host, Marquise Gibson, Cyber Talk Radio. People still talking. This is Gossip, Plenty Reviews.
I had to tell them, man, I'm rich. I ain't doing nothing illegal. Google me. Get that paperwork check out. On game.